AI/ML Business Success Case Study for Manufacturing to Dispatch. Case Study. The video titled AI Applications Across Industries with Vibrant Colores by Pradeep K. Suri is a Sankey video. It visually represents various industries and their corresponding AI applications using colored horizontal bars. Here's a detailed breakdown of the video. Overview of the video. This Sankey video highlights how AI applications are distributed across different industries. Each industry is linked to a specific AI application, and the use of vibrant colors helps distinguish between them, making the video visually engaging and easy to interpret. Key components of the video. 1. Industries, left side. Marketing. AI application, customer segmentation. Color, red. Description, AI is used to segment customers based on attributes such as behavior, demographics, and preferences, enabling targeted marketing strategies. Finance. AI application, fraud detection. Color, orange. Description, AI systems analyze transaction patterns to detect anomalies and potentially fraudulent activities in real time. Healthcare. AI application, disease diagnosis. Color, yellow. Description, AI assists in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, patient data, and symptoms. E-commerce. AI application, product recommendation. Color, light green. Description, AI suggests products to customers based on their behavior and preferences, enhancing the shopping experience. Automotive. AI application, autonomous vehicles. Color, green. Description, AI technologies enable self-driving cars by processing data from sensors and cameras to navigate and make driving decisions. Manufacturing. AI application, predictive maintenance. Color, teal. Description, AI predicts equipment failures and maintenance needs, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. HR, human resources. AI application, talent acquisition. Color, cyan. Description, AI helps in recruitment by screening resumes, matching candidates to job descriptions, and predicting job performance. Retail. AI application, demand forecasting. Color, blue. Description, AI models forecast customer demand for products, helping retailers manage inventory and optimize supply chains. Real estate. AI application, property value prediction. Color, dark blue. Description, AI estimates property values by analyzing market trends, property features, and location data. Energy. AI application, load forecasting. Color, purple. Description, AI predicts energy demand by analyzing consumption patterns, weather data, and other relevant factors, aiding in efficient energy management. Insights and implications. Industry-specific applications. The video effectively shows how AI is utilized in various industries to address specific needs and challenges. Visual appeal. The use of vibrant colors makes it easy to distinguish between different industries and their applications, enhancing visual appeal and clarity. Flow representation. The connections illustrate the flow from each industry to its AI application, emphasizing the practical use of AI technologies in each sector. Summary. This Sankey video provides a comprehensive view of the diverse applications of AI across different industries. It highlights the practical use of AI in sectors such as marketing, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, automotive, manufacturing, HR, retail, real estate, and energy. The visual representation, combined with the vibrant colors, makes it easy to understand and interpret the various applications of AI, showcasing its versatility and impact. Choosing the right AI model for prediction on historical data depends on the specific use case and the nature of the data. Here's a brief overview of each model and its suitability. 1. Deep neural networks, DNN. Strengths. DNNs are highly flexible and can model complex, nonlinear relationships in data. They are particularly effective for large data sets with many features. Use cases: image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and complex pattern recognition. Considerations: requires a large amount of data and computational resources. Can be prone to overfitting if not properly regularized. 2. Neural networks. Strengths: neural networks, including simpler architectures like feed-forward networks, are good at capturing patterns in data. Use cases: similar to DNNs, they are used in image and speech recognition, as well as time series forecasting. Considerations: like DNNs, they require significant data and computational power. Training can be time-consuming. 3. Random forest. Strengths: random forest is an ensemble learning method that is robust to overfitting and can handle both classification and regression tasks. It works well with datasets that have many features and can capture complex interactions. Use cases: fraud detection, customer segmentation, and feature importance ranking. Considerations: less computationally intensive than DNNs and neural networks. Can handle missing values and outliers well. 4. K-fold cross-validation. Strengths: K-fold cross-validation is not an AI model but a technique to evaluate the performance of a model by splitting the data into K subsets and using each subset as a test set while training on the remaining subsets. Use cases: it is used to ensure that the model's performance is consistent across different subsets of the data, reducing the risk of overfitting. Considerations: it is a validation technique rather than a predictive model. Conclusion: for prediction on historical data, random forest is often a good choice due to its robustness and ability to handle complex data without requiring extensive computational resources. However, if your dataset is very large and complex, deep neural networks might be more appropriate despite the higher computational cost. The video visualization of a manufacturing process flow and client dispatch and defects overview. Let's break it down into its components for a detailed explanation. 1. Manufacturing process flow, Sankey video. Title: Manufacturing process flow. Components. 1. Raw material, blue. This represents the initial stage where raw materials are acquired for the manufacturing process. 2. Processing, orange. The stage involves converting the raw materials into semi-finished or finished products through various manufacturing techniques. 3. Quality control, green. This stage ensures that the products meet certain standards and specifications before moving to the next phase. 4. Finished goods, red. This represents the final products that are ready for dispatch to clients. Flow representation. Arrows and colors, the arrows represent the flow of materials from one stage to the next, with the width indicating the volume of materials at each stage. The use of different colors helps in distinguishing the stages clearly. 2. Client dispatch and defects overview, bar chart. Title: Client dispatch and defects overview. Components. Clients, 5 clients, A, B, C, D, E, are represented on the x-axis. Dispatched goods and defects, the y-axis shows the number of dispatched goods and the number of defects for each client. Data points. Client A, 50 dispatched, 5 defects, green. Client B, 40 dispatched, 5 defects, blue. Client C, 60 dispatched, 30 defects, yellow. Client D, 2 dispatched, 2 defects, purple. Client E, 45 dispatched, 2 defects, teal. Insights. Client A and B, both have a relatively low number of defects compared to the number of goods dispatched, indicating good quality control. Client C, although the highest number of goods dispatched, it also has the highest number of defects, suggesting potential issues in the manufacturing or quality control process. Client D and E, Client D has a very low volume of goods dispatched but a high defect rate relative to the volume. Client E has a moderate number of goods dispatched with a low number of defects. Summary. The image provides a comprehensive overview of the manufacturing process from raw materials to finished goods and highlights the quality of goods dispatched to different clients. The Sankey video on the left illustrates the manufacturing stages, while the bar chart on the right shows the number of dispatched goods and the defect rates for various clients. This dual visualization helps in understanding the efficiency and effectiveness of the manufacturing process, as well as identifying areas that may require improvement in terms of quality control. Thank you.